So we have the Fifine AM8 stream recording microphone. It's got USB-C, XLR, dynamic mic, controllable lights, tap to mute, headphones volume, jack. Some information on the back. Nice soft microphone case. Changes the colour, volume, headphones, and you can flip it. You've got a jack there as well for the sound system and headphones. And over this side you've got the pause to mute. You can see you don't need to be heavy, just light touch and it's switching it over. Nice easy swivel. Change your colours or turn them all off. Pick your colour. A nice solid base, and I believe there's an arm you can get as well for it.